सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट इज जी रूफ टॉप सोलर प्रोग्राम इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. ह्या हातून जवळजवळ 2023-2026 हे पर्यंत आमकां भरपूर काम करपाक जाय. टोटल एनहान्स सबसिडी जी आसा ती आमी ऑलरेडी दिवपाक चालू केली. एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट, कॉमर्शियल आनी इंडस्ट्रियल एंड अदर एस्टाब्लिशमेंट जी आसा ती ह्या सगळ्या हातूंत येता. सबसिडी जी रेजिडेन्शियल कंज्युमरां आसा ती 50% फॉर द फर्स्ट 10 kW, 10% behind 10 kW and up to 30 kW. The subsidy for commercial, industrial and other establishment is 20% up to 90 kW of the sanction load. The subsidy is over and above the central financial assistance provided by the Government of India to the eligible consumers. As a result of this subsidy scheme, ही जवळजवळ 875 हाऊसेस आज बसून घेतले आणि टोटल approximate installed capacity as on today is 46.20 megawatt. The subsidy dispersed till date is 7.06 crores. दूसरे आसा solar energy generation in the state. The total number of connections in the state of Goa as on 36/24 is 1,387. And the total solar capacity installed is 61.7 megawatt MWP. Total solar generation in the state is 69.35 million units for 22-23 and 19.20 million units for 24-25 up to 36-24. Total solar surplus settlement amount paid to solar consumers जे विजयान काढलेले ते 2022-23 is rupees 43.84 lakhs and 432 beneficiaries, and for 23-24 is 57.34 lakhs for 578 beneficiaries. म्हणून ही जी 2024-25 पर्यंत 23-24 पर्यंत आम्ही क्लियर आसा.